Hello friends, welcome back to another section of our tutorial. I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. And if you've not subscribed yet, please do so. In fact, now, yes. Also like and share my video. So today we are going to learn how to start a twist braid. If you're looking at how to start a twist braid or it's difficult for you to start, I'm going to share 2 methods on how to start a twist braid on today's video. So stay tuned. So you divide your hair into 2 equal parts, and then your extension, this is our extension. You start from twisting the extension right at the center, twist it a little, and then you put it in between the hair you already divided, and then you twist the hair with the attachment, the right side, just the one part, the right side, and then you switch. Did you see what I did? You twist it with the attachments, and then you switch, and then you put your right hand under and bring the other one, twisting it, and then you switch. Remember, you have to twist and switch, not switch and twist. So what's the work of twisting it before you switch? It will help with the scalp or with the roots, make it look tighter, so it doesn't look loose easily. So you just repeat it, continue doing it like this. Twist and switch, twist and switch, twist and switch, twist and switch. Even if I leave it, it's not going to loosen. Why? Because I'm twisting it before switching. So let's take it once more. So this is it. I'll comb out the hair again, and then part the hair into 2 equal sections. So I'm going to start with twisting the center of my extension, just like this. Twist it a bit, and then I'm going to put it right at the middle, and then I'm going to twist the right side on with the hair. Twist the extension with the hair, twist it very tight, and then you switch using your left hand to hold it, and then you put your right hand under, switching the second one, and then you switch. You repeat it again, twist and switch, twist and switch. Easy, right? Yes. This method is easy, although it's time consuming. If you are finding it difficult now, don't worry. Once you repeat it, practice more and more, you are going to get used to it. So this is it. So we are going to complete the braiding. Remember guys, this is mannequin, dummy head rather. So if you're braiding on a human hair, it's likely going to look more neat and smoother than how it's looking right here on a dummy. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So look at the scalp. As you can see, it's tight, but if you're braiding on a human hair, it's going to look tighter than this, and of course neater. Yes, so let's try and do it again. If you have a dummy head, you can practice it with me to make it easier for you to learn faster. So we're going to the second method. So you can see I already have my part section, and I'm going to divide this into 3 equal parts, like this. And then my extension, I'm going to split it into 2 equal parts, and then you guys already know, we already have a video on how to place your fingers, So I'm going to put the link up for those of you who have not watched the video on how to place your fingers. So after dividing it, I'll have to start the braiding. Let me put it this way so you guys can see it very well. So you have to braid a bit Bob Marley under the scalp. Most people prefer this method because it's easy and it's kind of another style, you understand? So you have Bob Marley under and then twist downward. So how are we going to achieve our twist? See, I did like 3 steps of Bob Marley, and then I'm going to separate the 3 extensions, and then the middle one, divide it into 2 equal parts and add it to the 2 extension. And then you twist, start from the right side, you twist the right one, you switch it. You have to put your thumb under, in between the 2 extension, and then you twist the under one, you switch. You twist it again, you switch, you repeat it. Easy, right? Yes, this is more easier than the first one, and it's less painful. That's why many people prefer this method to the first one. So this is it. Alright, so I promised you guys that I'll give you 2 methods of braiding twist, but I changed my mind. I'm going to show you guys another method. Most people like this method too, because sometimes people don't like seeing people to see the underscalp. So I'm going to share another method of braiding twist. This is the 3rd one. Please guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it now. So I'm going to, this is our extension, just like the second one. It's exactly like the second one, but the difference is we are going to cover the scalp, not the scalp, sorry, the root of the hair. So I'm dividing it into 3 sections, and then I'm starting with the Bob Marley braid. So now I'm done with the Bob Marley braid. The next section is I will just take a small bit of an attachment or extension from the one on my right side, and then I'm going to whip it to cover the roots. Just tiny. If you take plenty, it's not going to come out neat. Just until the Bob Marley is covered, you see, and then we are done. And then I'm going to divide the hair into 2 equal parts. In this method, it doesn't really matter the one you're splitting, because you already covered the root of the hair. So I'm going to start with twisting the one on my right side, and then I'll switch. I twist the one under, I switch. Just keep repeating it. Alright guys, this is our 3 method of braiding a twist style, and I promise you whichever method you choose is going to come out great. It just takes practice. You just need to practice and practice, and no time you get used to it. So this is it. I promise you our next video we're going to use human hair. Yes, so that you see the finished result of the hair. Yes, I'm going to work really hard to find someone to make hair for. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward to my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so you get to see when we post new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.